Construct DFA to accept even number of even number of zeros and even number of ones. Dear students, even number start with 0. 0 means epsilon, or 2, 4, 6 or up to n numbers. Even number of zeros and even number of ones must maybe epsilon or 2 zeros or 2 ones, right? Or 2 0, 2 1 or 2 1, 2 0. First we'll start from the basics, right? Even numbers start with epsilon, must initial and final both are same. This is accepted. Or 2 zeros, 1 0, then this is 2 0. 2 0 is accepted. 2 zeros or 2 ones. Similarly, you can take for 2 ones. One. This is 2 0 is accepted, or 2 1 is accepted. 2 0 2 1, 0 0 1 1 is accepted, or 1 1 0 0 is accepted. Or next, between these 2 0, 0 1 1 0. Between these 2 0, 2 ones, or between these 2 ones, 2 0. 2 0. Between these 2 0, 2 ones. Means here we can take 2 ones. 0 1 1, then 0 is accepted. Or between this 2 1 2 0, this 2 1, between this 2 1 2 zeros, 0, then this is 0. This is accepted. नेक्स्ट स्ट्रिंग क्या हो सकते, 0 1 0 1 और 1 0 1 0. 0 1 0 1 is accepted, or 1 0 1 0 is accepted. Means this can accept even number of zeros and even number of ones. Numbering, this is Q3. This DFA can accept even number of zeros and even number of ones.